Hi everyone, welcome to Santaury Travel. At the same, I'm San, and today I will present you about destination of Phuket. When we talk about Phuket, you just mention only sea sunset, right? But today it's different destination, and this is Bang-Pae Waterfall. Here we go. Everyone, now I arrived already at the Bang-Pae Waterfall. Okay, I didn't come here for a long time. Yeah, maybe something is changed. Yeah, and today, can you see my clothes? Yeah. Now that's why I'm ready to enjoy this place. That we enjoy together. Okay guys, now I arrived already at the top of this place. It is Bang-Pae Waterfall. Okay, above there, over there, we're gonna go just only stop. Okay, so I think I want to enjoy here, right? And then you see the waterfall. They are relaxing, take a shower in there, and then enjoy in this moment.